Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Alma. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Sit down and watch me as I do my brows just using two products. Let me know in the comments if you use these or have tried different things, or should I try something else? And thank you so much. Stay tuned for the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for all my returning subscribers, and for everybody that has been subscribing, thank you guys so much for your support. Okay, everybody, let's get started on my brows. This is the way I do it, okay? I literally just use two products. I use a pencil. I've tried different kinds of pencil. Right now, I'm sticking to the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Ash Brown. This is the one I'm using right now. And then after I fill in my brow, I'm using this one right here. It's called the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Styling Gel. And the reason why I put this on top of everything is because it leaves my hairs intact, like it's like gel, right? So it just helps them stay put. And since I don't have that much hair, this thing is just perfect for my itty bitty little hair brows. Okay, so that's why I've been loving this one. The wand is perfect for my brows. It's small, and you know, let's do it. Let's get started. Okay, so first, of course, I need a mirror. Okay, so I make sure, obviously, I have product ready to go. And I already did my makeup. Okay, I'm getting ready for work, and let's do it. Let's go. Okay, so first off, obviously I mark where I'm gonna begin, and it's very, very feather-like, nearly touching. I'm not putting too much pressure. I just start filling it in like that. So yeah, I just keep feathering it in, just very, very softly. Fill them in. See how it's starting to look a little more filled in? Then I just go on the top and I just continue filling in. And I'll go back and forth with the spoolie and, you know, sweep up the hair and, well, not up, but I go like this, because like towards the side, because that's how my hairs are growing towards. Just trying to keep it as natural looking as possible. I hope I'm angled correctly and I don't look weird. So this is where my arch, you know, the highest point is right there. I'm following the brow, the way it's shaped, and I'm just going along with it. Let's compare this one to this one. You see, I don't even have hair. This is all I have. And I'm just continuing the filling. And of course, you can always go back and measure, like from the end of your nose and your pupil, like see? And then the corner of your eye and your nose, that's where it would end. Okay. So there it is. This is pretty much how I do it. Sometimes I go a little further in here, like towards the middle of my face. But I get scared doing this because I'm like, I don't want to look weird. And then I just comb it through. I put a little bit of pressure because I kind of want that, you know, color to look like it's hair or something. And I feel like when you have the product in and you comb it, you kind of give it that natural look. It blends in. That's what I'm trying to say. You blend it in. So after I fill in my brow, I put the cap back on. I'm just kidding. Close that up, and then I pull out my Tattoo Studio by Maybelline. Okay. So I open it up. I make sure there's enough product in my little brush, my little spoolie. And then all I do is like comb it in. I put a little bit of pressure just to make sure it combs the hair. Okay. And just to clean up around, you could get concealer and kind of a little bit go up. This is the way I do it. If I kind of messed up and I want to define them more, but I don't easily do this. I can also get like a little flat brush like this, or a concealer brush, a really flat one, and get a little bit of concealer, like a tiny bit, maybe like a drop. So yeah, and then I'll go over it, like, you know, if I need to. But I'm gonna get a little bit of powder. This is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless powder. The color is Natural Beige. It's pretty much the powder I use for my face. And I just kind of go around just to make sure it looks really good. A little more chiseled. I just don't like it to be very, like my brows to be like, boom, it's in your face. No, I want all like my brows, everything to be the same level. Like if it's, you know, not too intense. I don't want it to take over and be super highlighted more than everything else in my face. I just like to keep it even. And this is how I do my brow. Check it out. What do you guys think? Let me know if there's any products I should be trying for my itty bitty little brows. But this is how I do it, guys, straight up. Okay. I'll either do it before or after my eyeshadow. It depends how I feel. But this is how I do it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my other brow, and I'll continue with the tutorial. I get my NYX pencil. I love these pencils. I've tried the Maybelline one, Soap and Glory. I don't think I've tried L'Oreal yet. I should. I heard they're really, really good as well. I just start filling in, and then obviously I mark it, right, where it should begin. And now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Tattoo Studio. So after the gel dries up, they do feel a little bit stiff, not too much, which is what I like. I don't want them to feel like glue or anything, like dry glue and all that. Oh my God, I think I need to go in a little bit on this one. I think this one looks a little longer. Let me fix it. Okay, I did just a tad bit, not too much. What do you guys think? I love the way I do my brows. This works for me. I've been sticking to these two products. I don't like to make it too complicated. Also, the reason why I like to do my foundation and everything, like have my face set before I do my brows, is because I notice how like it's like a clean canvas and I could just fill in my brows on top of everything and it just looks well put together. I used to do my brows and then put my foundation, and I was just like, you know, throughout the years I've been going back and forth with different techniques, different ways, and this is the way that I love and that works for me. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys try it. I really love just sticking to two products and have it a simple way of doing brows, because filling my brows is already, you know, it takes long. I get very like, I gotta have it a certain way, and you know, I just take my time with it. And when you have more products to use, it's just complicated. It's just too much and overwhelming to me. But the pencil and the brow gel is all I need, and this is the way I do it. Okay, guys, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this product or if there's another one that might work better. Let me know if you guys have the same brows as me. I used to hate them when I was like younger, but I am so embracing everything, and I don't hate anything. I love everything. I work with it. That's why we got makeup to help us. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for joining me and supporting me. Thank you so much for everybody that has been subscribing. Thank you. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video.